today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and try out a free theme on Shopify to enhance your online store design. This is perfect for those of you who are looking to give your Shopify store a fresh, professional look without any extra costs. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Shopify, open up your favorite web browser, and head over to the Shopify website. Once you are there, make sure to log into your account if you haven't already. This will give you access to all the customizable options available for your store, including themes. Now, once you're logged into Shopify, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your admin dashboard. Look for the section labeled Online Store and click on it. This will expand a menu with several options related to customizing your store's look and functionality. From this menu, select Visit Theme Store. This link will take you to Shopify's official theme store, which is packed with a vast array of options to suit different types of businesses and aesthetic preferences. In the theme store, use the search functionality at the top of the page. Here you'll type in Ride. Ride is a free theme offered by Shopify. It's known for its sleek, sports-centric design, making it a great choice for stores aiming to convey energy, movement, and dynamism. After typing in Ride, you should see the theme appear in the search results. It's time to check it out. Click on the theme to access its dedicated page, where you'll find a detailed overview of its features, along with some preview images. Browsing these details will help you decide if this theme aligns with the vision you have for your store. Once you're satisfied with what you see, look for the option to Try Theme and click on it. This will allow you to apply Ride to your store, letting you explore how your products will look with this sleek, new design before making a final commitment to it. This try before you buy option is especially helpful since it offers a risk-free way to ensure this theme suits your business needs. And just like that, you're done. The theme will be applied to your online store and you'll be able to see it in action right away. You can always switch back or try other themes if you decide Ride isn't quite right for you. With these simple steps, you can give your Shopify store an attractive new look without spending a dime. Enjoy exploring the possibilities and remember that the right theme can significantly enhance your store's appeal and user experience, helping to engage customers more effectively. Happy theming!